Today we started building our drivetrain. We decided to go with a 6-wheel drive with these pneumatic wheels so that we can get over the steel beams that are on the field. And we machined the box tube and got all that done for the drivetrain. So we decided to do a telescoping arm for our elevator. We're going to have it mounted on the side here, and it's going to extend up like this. And then we're going to have a hook up here, and it's going to go over that bar, drive up, and then come back down and pull it down. So it's going to start with an elastic like this one. It's going to be mounted from here to here so that it wants to stay up like this, and then we're going to have a winch system pulling it all the way down. And so to prove that we have it going to the correct height, we have it starting roughly here on the drivetrain, and then we have it extending to about this height, and we give it a little bit of extra clearance for the shield generator just in case it's swinging from side to side.
So this is our power cell mechanism for this year. So we decided to go the way of picking up the balls off the ground and shooting it out of the top from like a hood vent into the low goal, and using that same vent with pneumatic pistons to actuate the hood, to be able to also use it as an intake from the top loading station. This is our really rough mock-up of our conveyor belt system. So this part's the part that's going to be inside our robot. It's not part of our intake. So it's just going to move the balls up and down as needed. So for our intake mechanism, we're going to do an over the bumper intake. So it's just going to flop down within our 12 inches that we have and pull the balls in. So this is our control panel mechanism. So we decided to take a very simple approach to this. So we just decided to attach a Coulson wheel directly to the motor with the versaplanetary gearbox. And we're just going to have it mounted flush with our perimeter and the frame of the robot. And it's just going to drive up and just go up to the wheel and spin accordingly, depending on how many rotations we need, or if we need to align it for the color, we're going to have a camera mounted so that the driver can see what color is where, and he can set the right position.